Well, this is pretty revolutionary. Like I've been saying, I've been working out with a water bottle the last few days. Don't remember how many, maybe four. And I haven't really drunk up all the water, so it's just been concentrating more and more. Whatever happens when you agitate water. And I don't agitate it like this. I use workout like this, whatever. And I've been doing it for hours each day, maybe 4 hours for 4 days, so 16 hours. And I've been drinking some of the water, but not always. Anyway, I drank it now, and wouldn't you know, I actually got revitalized from it. Like wow, like coffee basically, but with no side effects to it. And if you ever drunk clear spring water, like from a clear water spring, not the shit in plastic bottles or glass bottles, because glass is the same as asbestos, so that's not nutritious either. Anyway, I was feeling tired like 2 hours ago, but I just drank some of the water and filled up from another bottle, and I feel so fucking nice. Just work out and water and a plastic bottle and a lid. That's all you need to make your own energy drink. And the thing is, what you put into it, like they say, water has soul. So I guess you could have like an auto agitator which just does this, like blood vials or whatever. That probably would be pretty good. Haven't heard anyone like if you have like a blender in a plastic water bottle at work, that would be fucking revolutionary. But of course, they don't want you to be happy or healthy or in a good mood or anything, so they won't do that. And as for Tracy, I said like you should get like a tap water filter. And she says she buys water at the local like store that's been filtered and stuff. But then I read about that's actually they use fake it. They use fake tap water. Nobody notices any difference. But yeah, that's how you make your own energy drink. It's so easy. And I recommend orange juice bottles because anything else sort of tastes disgusting. I mean, natural raspberry aroma, it just never goes away either. And orange juice is fake and all, but it sort of tastes okay at least. And the thing is, like they say, a Rolling Stone gathers no moss. This stood over the night for like 14 hours, and it didn't turn moldy or rotty because it's holy water, it's energized water, whatever that means. I don't know. I looked up agitated water. There was no info on it, and seemingly no one has done this research or keeps it to themselves. But goddamn, wow!